Qigong Shaking. Begin in starting position. Feet shoulder width apart, toes pointing forward. Bend the knees softly as you tuck your pelvis. Inhale through the nose, exhale through the mouth, and feel your spine elongate. Imagine a golden thread above you lifting your head. Drop your shoulders. Relax your jaw. And let the space in between your eyebrows grow wider. Listen for the furthest sound you can hear. Feel the earth beneath you as the air touches your skin. Letting yourself be present. And we'll begin by shaking, bouncing from the knees only, every other part of your body relaxed. The arms dangle like ropes from your shoulders, and the head rolls where it wants to. Bouncing, shaking from the knees, shake out all your bones. Shake your lungs so your breath can be shook. Shake your liver. Shake your spleen. Shake any tension you may be holding in your body. And begin with your hands in front, shaking down, shaking out all tension from your hands and fingertips. Reach behind you and shake your hands behind you, releasing your past. Breathing deeply in your belly. Hands out to the side, shake off left and right. Imagine your whole nervous system being shook. And out in front, straight from your heart, shaking clear the whole day ahead of you. Lift hands up to the sky, shaking above you, deep belly breaths, and hands back down to the earth. Continue shaking, releasing all tension. Finally, find stillness, complete stillness. Breathing the roots from your feet. Notice the air around you, the temperature. And have a beautiful day.